Creative Cakery. Today we're going to be showing some of the basic things you need for baking. And we're going to be having 3 assistants for this video. Danielle.
Hey guys.
Dulce.
Hello.
And Sophia.
Hi.
We're also going to be showing you a super easy cupcake recipe. So now, without further ado, let's get right into the video. Before you start baking, you're going to need a whisk, some baking pans, a big bowl, a couple of little bowls, oven mitt, and an electric mixer. If you don't have an electric mixer, it's perfectly fine. Just use the whisk. And if you don't have oven mitts, you can just use a piece of cloth.
Put chocolate chips or regular chocolate into the microwave for 20 seconds. As for me, I'll be using regular chocolate. Take it out of the microwave and mix it until it's all melted.
Next, you separate 4 egg whites from the yolk. Pour the egg yolks into the chocolate one at a time and mix in between you pushing each egg yolk like this. It might start to get a little bit chunky, but that's supposed to happen. Once the chocolate and egg mixture gets smooth, set it aside.
Mix the egg whites until it gets foamy. As you can see, it's already started to.
Pour the egg whites into the chocolate yolk mixture. And give it a good mix. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. My oven is on the Celsius scale, so 180 degrees. Put cupcake crackers into your cupcake pan and pour the batter in. Set the timer to 30 minutes. Okay, so 30 minutes is up now and I'm going to be taking my cupcakes out of the oven. This is the part where you need a mitten or a napkin. Now, time to taste test. This tastes really good. You should definitely try this.